Hello. If you're having this Roblox error 279, these are some of the few steps I found that you can try to fix that. So first would be to just check if Roblox is down. So here on, you can just type in Roblox server status and, oh, not that one, but this one, Roblox. And here you have all the updates. And it's always updated. So if the servers are down, obviously you cannot do anything about that. But the next thing you can do if the servers are all looking okay is you can open up these ports. Now, this is not a port forwarding tutorial per se, but you want to check because port forwarding is different on every machine. So if you want to port forward, I suggest looking up how to port forward for your specific machine. If you just type in port forwarding tutorial, you'll figure it out. It's not too complicated. It'll take some time, but it's not too complicated. And then you can open these ports up in the UDP protocol. Like I said, check the Roblox status. Then this exception to firewall, I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Just go to your search, firewall. You have allow an app through the firewall, and then change settings, and then you have allow another app. And now you can just browse. You can find your Roblox. Mine is on my desktop, Roblox player, and you open that and you add that right there, and that's it. Now you've checked it here and it's good. It's now allowed through firewall. The next thing is resetting your internet settings. You can do that by going to your control panel, network and internet settings, and then you have internet options. On internet options, you have this advanced tab up here, and here you want to click on restore advanced settings. I'm not gonna do that because I have some settings here, but you just click this, restore advanced settings, and that's it. It should restore. The last step is to flush the DNS. So we're gonna go here, type cmd, and then just type in ipconfig/flush DNS. Successfully flush the DNS, resolve our cache. You'll all be good, and that's it. Those are the few steps that can help you with that error 279.